Hi, my name is Youssef, and I am a solutions architect at Databricks. I'm excited to introduce you to the Databricks free edition that was announced at the Data and AI Summit, in case you missed it. It's designed to help students and developers experiment with the latest data and AI technologies at no cost. On free edition, you can ingest data, build pipelines, and train ML models with the same unified data intelligence platform that is used by millions of data and AI professionals, as well as learn and share ideas with a global community of students and experts. More specifically, free edition can be used for AI applications and agents by preparing and processing data, experimenting with foundation models, and deploying and testing AI systems and evaluating models all within a collaborative notebooks. For data exploration analysis, by importing real data sets, running SQL queries, visualizing results, and building hands-on experience by analyzing real data. Interactive dashboards by creating dashboards and visualization using tools like Genie and natural language prompts. Data pipelines by using serverless tools such as LakeFlow to design, ingest, transform, and orchestrate data pipelines for ETL. Hands-on coding help by getting coding assistance from the data in Databricks Assistant directly within notebooks, including code suggestions and help. How can I get started? Well, that's easy. Let me show you. You need to browse to databricks.com/learn/free-edition. Then click on sign up for free edition. Enter your details or choose the emails you want to use to access your workspace. And then I'm going to create a new account, specify the location. Let me choose United States. Click on continue, and as you will see, within few seconds, your workspace is going to be deployed, and then you can start testing, exploring, playing with the environment, and upskilling yourself. This is really a cool way to learn how to use Databricks. And as you can see, my workspace is now ready. I can connect my repo, create many catalogs, build and browse to find my catalogs. I can build my ETL pipeline using SQL editor to create my queries and creating my KPI. I can build dashboards. I can access some feature dashboard like New York taxi trip analysis. I can start using Genie. I already have an example, big house sells starter space, play with the playground when I have a bunch of LLMs that are already available, and you can see we have many of them over here. Start developing in notebooks, and as I did mention, everything is fully serverless and you don't pay anything by using the platform. This video is just the start. In the future, I will share with you how you can use the free edition to run SQL, Python, visualize data, understand data engineering concepts, and build AI agents and classical ML models. Lastly, you can upskill more through Databricks Academy, our centralized hub for learning data and AI. See you soon!